For many people, the logistics of investing seems crazy and just really stressful. In this video, I'm going to break down how I automate investing in multiple accounts. Hey, what's going on? This is Maoli Vodi with Financially Present, your one-stop shop for financial and investment education. And in this video, I just want to make it simple for you on a way to invest in your account. And that's by making sure that you are ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So that means your account should be regularly funded. And I'll show you the best way to automate these things so that it gives you less stress and it makes things much easier to be in a position to invest on a regular basis. So the easiest way to do this is the method I like to call, or I just made it up. It's called the single point of failure method. And I know it doesn't sound good, but it works really well. Just stick with me on this. What you want to do is use your checking account to fund your main brokerage account. That's a taxable brokerage account. And in my situation, it would be a joint checking account funding the joint brokerage account. So the joint brokerage account is now the core of all of this, because this joint brokerage account is going to be used to fund a Roth IRA, fund a traditional IRA, and even fund custodial accounts for the kids. See, essentially that is the single point, okay? So instead of me logging into each and every one of these individual types of accounts to create a funding method, I will push the funds automatically or on a regular basis from that core account. So now I don't need to link a bank account multiple times. And depending on what brokerage firm you use, as soon as you have the accounts within the right names and social security numbers, it all links automatically. So it makes it really simple for things like that. So now what this method does is it triggers this fact that you need to have discipline in how much you are regularly putting into your brokerage account, because from there, all the other magic happens automatically, okay? When you make those deposits into your brokerage account, you can do that directly from your paycheck, depending on where you have your accounts, right? And if you don't have your paycheck go directly into your brokerage account, it's fine. It can go to your checking account. Just schedule regular deposits into your brokerage account so that there is always enough to go directly into the sub accounts. So again, you have the joint brokerage account or individual brokerage account as your parent account. And then you have multiple child accounts underneath to make sure that you're regularly funding these on a periodic basis. We use Charles Schwab most recently, and they have various methods of reoccurring or automated transfers. So you can decide that you want to make weekly deposits into your account, or bi-weekly, bi-monthly, annually. I mean, there are multiple different methods that you can use to fund your account on a regular basis. In this way, the money is regularly there, and it sets you up for the next stage, and that's going to be investing. That's going to be a separate video as well. So one example you would have is if you know that you want to make a Roth IRA contribution and you want to max those contributions out, you can make sure that you have enough in your brokerage account to fund your Roth IRA. You just have to make sure you're doing, let's say, monthly deposits of $541 throughout the year, and you can have that automated for you. Or if not monthly, maybe weekly contributions of $125 going directly into your Roth IRA account. Either way, those both add up to allow you to be close to the $6,500 annual contribution limit. If you don't meet that limit, or if you're only able to put a little bit less, that's perfectly fine. Putting something is better than nothing, but automating this makes it that much easier. So it makes room for changes as well. If you want to see a model of how this works, you can check the link below. I have a free resource, and it's called 10 Crucial Steps to Being Financially Present. You'll be able to see how it works from there. So this begs a question. What if you want to make some changes? Well, it's not set in stone. See, that's the beauty of this. You can always modify as often as needed these regular deposits, okay? And they're really just transfers between accounts. But once the money's in the account, it just prepares you for that next move. So now that you have money going into your account regularly, feel free, you can adjust it by increasing or decreasing. I know life happens, but the next step after that is preparing to make the investment choice. And that's something you can automate as well, but that'll be a different video. If you like this video, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the page, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on future content. And until next time, stay present.